Do you want to try to Cambly for free? Do you want to gain a lot of minutes free? So keep watching this video. This video is for you. I hope you, after this watching this video, you will gain free minutes. Keep watching. Hello my dear friends, this is Mr. Lakhan. Welcome to Damani Skills. After a long time I thought I need to try to create a video like this type of, because I've received a lot of like messages or related Cambly mints, how we will get Cambly mint free, and do you pay Cambly if you are not paying, so how you are getting a lot of free mint to talking with native speakers each and every day, uploading videos on YouTube channel. So I thought I need to try to upload a video related Cambly, how I am getting a lot of free mint. As well, I will like to tell you in this video all of things, all of your confusion. I hope after watching this full video, you don't have any confusion related this my systems. I'm each and every day I'm doing. So a lot of messages I have I just received from my emails, from my Skype, some of my other network I'm using on Instagram. So I thought I need to try to create video on this topic. So okay, let's begin. Well, first of all, I would like to tell you, just try to open your mobile. So here, first of all, you need to try to go inside your Play Store. When you will click on your Play Store, there, just try to, if you are new, especially I'm going to try to tell you about newcomers, new users. Try to type here like about Cambly, C-A-M-B-L-Y, Cambly. So this is first result. You can say this Cambly app. Try to click there. After clicking there, just try to install. So okay, after installing, just open it. After open, here is, you can see again there is 3 or 4 options. Okay, just I'm going to tell you, try to if you are new, so try to, of course you are new because you are using new. So if you are new, so just try to click at create new account. After clicking on create new account, so here is, you can there is use front of you, there is 4 option, maybe related 5 option, maybe 4 option you have. So try to just click on email. Just click on email. Just try to add your new email. If you don't have any email, so try to new email. If you are using for just trying, so just add any. If you are new and you don't want to try to continue for just getting for free mint, so just try to add etc. I'm going to tell you how you will try to like etc. like email you can add. For example, just try to add skillseducation@gmail.com and password education123. Like this way you can try to just add, and you can leave this. Yeah, you don't need to try to add your number because you're using for trial. So then number 4 option is about refer code. Refer code, you can try to add Lakhan 547. You can get this code in my description below, and then just try to click on create new account, like sign up, like. So after this, you can after clicking there, you can get 10 minutes free. Okay, so I hope you understood all of things. And this is a perfect way a lot of people are not trying to do. They are just trying to adding these names, or most of people are asking how I will use this refer code, especially we're using this refer code like this type of. So I hope you will understand how we will add our refer code and how we will get a 10 minute free for. And another thing is that when you will visit my link inside description about free mint, when you will click that link, and when you will reach inside of website, so in website, there is you don't need to try to add any refer code. Just try to click on my link and try sign up your create new account related, like I told you before, that you just need to try to add etc. new Gmails related, for example skills education english.com, email.com or yahoo.com. It's all right, no problem. So passwords etc. you can try to add your password and try to enjoy your 10 minute free. And another thing I would like to tell you, like this type of, I have again, if you wanna gain a lot of free minutes like this type of, you must need to try to connect with other friends, because of for example, you have a lot of friends. If you have big family, so you can check your all family. So you need to try to check your whole family's members phone. Just try to sign up their new accounts without like verification and without any Gmail. Just try to add etc. Then you can gain a free mint. Yeah, definitely you can gain free mint 10 so on. So I have a lot of again free mint like this. So I have tried a lot of my family members mobile phone. So then I have gained a lot of free mints. And also some other way, that is, and as I search at YouTube about how to take a 10 minute or 15 minute free. So there's so many links I have tried. Also I have again from there, and as well I would like to tell you I have again a lot of free minutes from my referral code. A lot of people are referring from my site. Yeah, so they are, when they are clicking from my referral code, so I'm getting 5 minutes each and every member. So each member. Okay, then another thing I would like to tell you, the thing is that one of person maybe he subscribed from my referral code, so I have gained like 16 minutes free. So I have a lot of other ways then you can get your Cambly Mint free, and in the next video I will try to detail like this type of. So I hope you understood how I'm gaining a lot of mint each and every day, and not each and every day, I have gained a lot of free mints. So in this in the end of video I would like to tell you, some of time we are feeling like issue, like technical issue. So if you are using free mint each and every day, you're recording and uploading a YouTube channel like etc., so it will be issue for you to sometime your mints not working. So in my upcoming mints I will try in my upcoming video I will try to give away one account for free. So I hope you will watch my next video. If you want 10 mint free account, I will send you with password at your Gmail. So try to comment below that I will create that video giveaway. If you are satisfied that I will try to video related giveaway, so please comment in description, and then I will try to see how many people are really interested, then I will try to tell. Otherwise, if I won't get so many interest in comments box and related this topics, so I won't try. So otherwise, yeah, I hope that so many people will try to interestedly they will comment with me that you must need to try to create video about giveaway 10 minutes free at Cambly. So well, so in the end of video I hope you will like this video. If you will like this video, so please hit the like button, and if you are new, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Until then, take care, love you all, thanks for watching.